coming for you, Tool Review Zone!
So you may or may not have seen some drama unfolding on the Twitter and Instagram sites of VCG and TRZ, and I'm going to tell you now exactly what happened.
It's time to take out the trash.
Here at Cop Tool, we don't believe the street is the best arena for tool fights. So we reached out to these two titans of tool review and suggested they come to the Cop Tool studios where we could organize a proper battle, and they accepted. Thus, the biggest tool showdown in the history of Tool Showdowns 2018 Turbo Edition was born.
You can't handle this, Tool Review Zone! Get ready, the Fury's coming for you. I've been to the top of the mountain, and let me tell you, it ain't pretty when the Fury rains down. Oh yeah!
I was really shocked to see what it read. VCG says, "You suck." I said, what? They go on to explain how they hate my face and they want a showdown. P.S. I smell.
I'm getting ready for the 12th, bro. I can't believe the Tool Review Zone had the nerve to put all that personal stuff online. The tweets, the Instagram posters!
The biggest tool showdown in the history of tool showdowns. TRZ versus VCG, using some of the most powerful, beastly drill drivers on the market today, the Gen 3 Milwaukee in the Ridgid Octane.
Our studio is taken over, and one very cool guy grabs his best Milwaukee drill and heads into the Tool Review Zone to take on its Ridgid rival.
October 12th, mark it down, is the end of Clint and his Octane drill. Me and the Gen 3 are going to make this right. Maybe not right in the minds of all the viewers, but as long as it's right up here.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.